have here?
Lauren.
Lauren, what are you doing today?
Jumping out of an airplane.
Jumping out of a perfect good airplane. This is your second jump?
Second jump, yes.
Twice, alright. Why do you want to do it again?
It was a high.
Yeah. It must be crazy.
A little bit.
Have to be a little bit crazy.
Just, yeah, just a little bit.
Alright, we'll take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down under parachute. You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Alright, here's our ride. Ready for it?
I'm ready.
Nervous? Excited?
Excited.
Alright.
Better trust you. Let's do it.
Think?
This is awesome.
Yeah, better the second time, right?
Oh yeah.
You did great. You had fun.
I did.
Pull that left one down a little bit. Yeah, straight towards the highway. Hold down. Hold down. Hard. Yeah, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. It's like a boat. You got to give a little more than you think.
Yeah.
Let's go around to the right. There you go. Yeah. Now we're just going to head and go home. Good job. Yeah. All right, we made it back.
We did.
How many jumps is that now? 2?
2 jumps.
Do you enjoy that?
I did.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute. Just gotta pull the golf ball.
Awesome.
What was your favorite part?
I liked the flips when we first jumped out.
Yeah?
That was awesome.
And then hanging out with Travis in free fall. That was fun too, right?
That was really fun.
You did amazing. Come back see me again anytime.
You got it.
Colorado Springs.
Thank you.
All right.